Hey guys, how you doing? It's Phineas Houghton. Hope you're all doing all right. Hope you're all doing well. So if you know me, great. If you don't know me, I'm a cellular hair analysis consultant. I'm a development coach and I offer deep healing plans to people all over the world. So if you're interested in that, link is below. So today I want to talk about something that you should all be eating. I reckon I've eaten about a ton of this food in the last 10 to 12 years, and that food is cauliflower. So I specifically wanted to make a video about cauliflower. It's not going to be a long one, it's going to be a pretty quick fire short one today, because when you're younger, I don't know about you, but when I was in the school canteen, when I was little, we used to get kind of boiled cauliflower and it was kind of so overboiled like a mush. And so you kind of go into adult life if you've had that memory of it, maybe when you were a child, and you kind of think to yourself, oh, cauliflower is such a boring food, not very tasty and that sort of thing. So I think what we've got to do is we've got to really remind ourselves of what foods do for us. And cauliflower is one of those foods to me, which is almost like a bit of a hidden known superfood, because it can be really, really tasty as well. So why is it so special? And why do I advise that you eat a lot of it? Cauliflower basically is loaded with antioxidants. Now, it's loaded with antioxidants as long as you don't cook it to a cinder in the oven or steaming it. As long as you don't really, really overdo it, then it will still have those antioxidants. Those antioxidants are carotenoids and glycosolates. I think I've pronounced that correctly, but both have basically both antioxidants, and they're both proved in clinical trials to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Not only that, but they are cauliflower in its different varieties, which can be orange, purple, and the better known one, which is white. They all contain good amounts of vitamin C and B vitamins, both of which obviously are super important for your body and your nervous system. B vitamins cover too many things for me to talk about in this video, and vitamin C, we all know, is great for the immunity and the adrenal glands and that sort of thing. Cauliflower is also very high in fibre, which is good for your digestion, but it's also super loaded with choline, which is great for your brain, your memory, and your liver. So I really want to kind of start talking about foods which seem a bit boring from kind of childhood or even adulthood, and you kind of think, yeah, okay, well, you know, I don't really fancy eating it, so I kind of won't. It's not that tasty. First of all, I've just given you all the nutritional advice for cauliflower, but secondly, cauliflower can be really, really tasty. And so you can mash it like a mashed potato. You can have it as a potato substitute, because potatoes, if you didn't know this, have no real nutritional value. And so you can lightly boil a load of cauliflower, mash it up, salt and pepper, mashed potato. Perfect. You can also cook it in the oven, as long as you don't overcook it. You can also lightly steam it. But for me, cauliflower is the best when it's cooked to a medium level with salt and pepper, unpasteurised butter, and a bit of parmesan. So I've given you lots of reasons to start eating cauliflower. If you don't eat a lot of it, do introduce it into your diet, I would say, on a bi-daily basis. Obviously, there's lots of other vegetables you should be eating as well, but that is the information today I wanted to give about cauliflower, because it can be super tasty and it is absolutely packed with things that are really, really good for you. And the last thing I'm going to say is, given the rise of cancer in our society, we really need to be looking at foods that are antioxidant, because they are going forward. We are trying to fight the amount of toxicity in our current world, from pollution, from the packaged food that we eat, and for all the different sources of pollution in the air and the world at the moment. So guys, it's really super important that you incorporate lots of foods that are antioxidant, high in fibre, and high in other vitamins and minerals. Okay guys, hope that was helpful. Sending you lots of love and light, and I will speak to you soon. Bye for now.